Frank Morgan, a 16-year-old athlete with Carmarthenshire, has excelled in athletics over the last 2 years. Some of Frank's main achievements include first in the 2019 Under-15s British Championship, first in the 2021 Under-17s British Championship, and third in the British Milers Club Gold Standard race, which placed him 10th in Europe. He is ranked number 1 in Wales and 2nd in Britain in the 3,000 metres. In addition to this, Frank has been selected to run in the UK School Games and has captained the Under-17s track and field school team.
Mae Leo Rhestr yn disgybl yn ysgol gynradd Dafen, yn chwarae tennis i glwb tennis Llanelli. Mae'n chwaraewr tennis talentog dros ben ac mae'n rhif 1 ar y restr detholion pencampwriaethau tîm cwpan y sir, pencampwriaethau Cymru a pencampwriaethau Prydain. Yn 8 oed mae wedi curo pawb yn y Deyrnas Unedig yn ei grŵp oedran, a bellach mae'r LTA yn caniatáu o chwarae 2 grŵp oedran yn uwch. Mae Leo yn ennill llawer y gyselaethau uchel eu proffil yn y grŵp oedran hwn.
Thomas Phillips, a current member of Shortlist Dojo, is just 15 years old. In 2019, Thomas won a silver medal in the Welsh Judo Championships and first in the British Judo School Championships in 2020. Alongside this, Thomas also represented Wales in the Commonwealth Judo Championships. Thomas is a young person with huge ambitions and a credit to the community.